Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving into a powerful disk management tool called MiniTool Partition Wizard. Whether you are trying to manage your storage, create partitions, or optimize your PC, this tool makes it super simple, even for beginners. Disk management sounds technical, but it's something every PC user needs. If your PC has storage issues, or you want to format, resize, or even recover lost partitions, this software makes it easy and safe. Now let's see how to download this software and how to install it in your computer. Wanna go to the link in description below and click on download from here. Just click on that and you can see three options: free edition, pro edition, and server edition. Go into try pro. So open the file, choose English or whatever language you are comfortable with, and click OK. Accept the agreement and click next, and next again, and next, and check create a desktop shortcut, and next, and click install. And finish. And this is MiniTool Partition Wizard. It has a super friendly user interface, as you can see, guys. This is the data recovery, the partition recovery, and disk benchmark and space analyzer. So let's say if you lost your data or you want to recover your data, we have data recover. Just click on that, and as you can see, we have logical drives and we have the main drives, which is my SSD drive here and HDD drive. So you want to select one of these, the drive that you want to recover the data from, and click on scan, as you can see here in the right corner, or recover from specific location. You can recover from your desktop or your recycle bin, or you can select a folder or load manually. So this is really helpful if you want to recover your lost data. And we have partition recovery. As you can see, if I click next, I can select which partition I want to recover from. Alright, so I have two partitions right there, disk 1 and disk 2. Maybe you can have 4, maybe you can have 3. Just select the exact disk partition that you want to recover the data from and hit next. Alright, and we have disk benchmark. If you want to test your disk, you can select disk benchmark and select the physical disk. It can be C or G or E or whatever letter you have. Just select C or D, it doesn't matter, and click on start. Alright, just leave that as it is. You don't have to change these values, and click start, and MiniTool Partition Wizard will start benchmarking your hard drive. And we do have the last one, which is space analyzer. If you want to analyze your disk space, just select this disk you want from here. I'm gonna select C, for example, and click on scan. As you can see, analyzing disk space usage. So as you can see here, it gives me all my data and stuff and program installed in the C drive, so I can easily see what do I have in my disk drive. And in the partition management wizard, we have some tools that are helpful For example, the first one, migrate OS to SSD or HD Wizard. So if I click on that, it says here how to migrate your OS. This page helps you to choose a right method to migrate your system disk. We have A and B. A says, I would like to replace my system disk with another hard disk. MiniTool Partition Wizard will copy all the partitions on your system disk to another hard disk, which is useful and helpful. And we have B. I would like to copy my operating system to another hard disk and keep original hard disk in my computer. MiniTool Partition will copy the system acquired partitions only. This is very helpful, guys. Just give it a try. And we have Copy Partition Wizard. If I click on that, this wizard helps you to copy a partition, the whole partition, right? If I click next, I can see here which partition I want to copy, right? For example, D, my data. If I click next, I will be able to copy all the partition, which is simple and helpful. And we have the third one, which is Copy Disk Wizard. If I click on next, as you can see, choose a disk would you like to copy. As you can see, it's super easy and helpful. And also Partition Recovery Wizard. If I click on that, as you can see, this wizard helps you to recover lost or deleted partitions, which is very useful. If I select which partition I want to recover from and hit next, and the MiniTool Partition Wizard will start doing that automatically. And in partition management, we have create partition and we have wipe partition. So if I click on create partition, I can give it a name and create as primary or logical, and they can give it a letter, as you can see from here, file system, and the cluster size and location. And when I'm done this, just click OK and partition will be created. Super easy. And we have wipe partition. Okay, wiping partition will remove every sector of data on the partition. Data once wiped cannot be recovered by any data recovery solutions. So be careful, guys, with this, with wiping a partition. MiniTool also gives you the option to create bootable media. This means you can manage your disk even if your system won't start. Just click on bootable media in the top menu, insert a USB and follow the steps to create a recovery tool. Once it's ready, you can boot your PC from this USB and run Partition Wizard without Windows. Perfect for fixing boot errors or managing partitions on a dead system. Alright, that's it, guys. That's the end of the video. What I really like is how user-friendly the user interface is. No tech background needed. Also, it's super quick if you want to try it out. The link is in description below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you in the next one. Have a good day.